How to hide notification contents on Google Messages. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's not waste any more time and head to the video. So first you open the Messages app like it's opened right now here. Then you click on your profile icon on the top right. Once you click on that, you'll find multiple options, but you have to select Messages Settings. Once you click on that, here you'll find an option of notification. Click on notification and here it will open your notification icon. In your phone there will be a locked screen notification. Here I have allow dot notification, so you can turn it off, and once you turn it off your notification will not show up on your lock screen. And if you want to completely turn it off, you can click on all notifications switched off, disabled, and this is how you're able to hide notification contents on Google Messages. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.